What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you an overview tutorial of the Squarespace scheduling platform and its different features. So let's get right to it. First, you'll need to go to their website, that's squarespace.com/scheduling, and you will land on this page right here. You can scroll down to view some features and an overview of the platform itself. And here you can log in if you already have an account, or click on try scheduling to create your account and try the features for yourself. So let's click on try scheduling right here. And then you can create your account. You can continue with Google, Apple, or email. And here you have more options. So with Facebook, however, I'll continue with my email. So I'll enter my name, my email, and password, and then click on continue to create my account. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you'll start your Activity Scheduling trial, which is the scheduling service for Squarespace. And now it'll ask you some questions to set up your scheduling page. So first of all, your business name and your scheduling page URL. So I'll enter here how to simple. And here how to simple is available .as.me. So that's my URL if I want to use it. Now I'll click on next. And here I have to set up my the name of the appointments and the duration, and if it's an appointment, so one-on-one, or if it's a class, so me like with a group, and also the price. So let's say I offer like I'm a fitness instructor and I offer like one-on-one private training and also group classes in a gym. So let's say fitness class. Okay, the duration, let's say 30 minutes. Okay, 30. And this class is a group. The open slots per class, so that's the maximum number of people that can attend the class. So let's say a maximum number is 5, and the price, it's optional, however, it's $10 per class. So click on next. Okay, so here I have to set up like the class date. So it's like the 20th of December. And the time is like 9 a.m. Okay, and I can change it to like 11. Okay, if it's a recurring class, yes. So the frequent, it's like every Wednesday, so it's every week, every other week, every fourth Wednesday, every 20th of the month, and so on. So let's select every Wednesday. Okay, the number of recurrences 10, so it will repeat itself 10 times. Okay. Okay, let's make it 5, so 5 in class. And then here I can connect payment methods to accept payments, of course. So if I click on connect right here, of course I can skip this step and click on later. So here I can collect the deposits of full payment or full payment, so they'll pay in advance. Collect and safeguard details, so that I can like charge them per class, and the payment information is not required, so that if they pay, for example, in cash once they arrive to the physical location. And here I have the payment processors. I can connect Stripe or Square Payments or PayPal, so I can click here to connect any of them. So if Stripe, for example, it'll open a pop-up page where it'll ask me to log in or enter my Stripe account details here to log in with my Stripe account. Okay, so here is like the page where I enter my Stripe account and then continue to sign in and connect them. And I can do the same with Square and PayPal. So I'll skip that for now. And here I have my main dashboard. So if I click on the three lines right here, I have the activity scheduling, which is a trial. I can subscribe to a paid plan right here. Here I have, I can add a website, commerce, email campaigns, domain, Google Workspace. However, I'll just stick with this service for now. Here I have the calendar. So if I click on calendar, it'll show me my calendar here. I can like it's like here they have a test schedule right here. I can change the view, so a month view, a week view, or a day view. And here I can view all calendars, and I can also zoom in and out. So if I zoom out a bit, I can view like more info. And here I can view tomorrow, yesterday, or like scroll through days here. So here I can block off time. So this time, like I'm going on vacation or I'm not free in this time. So from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. on this date, and I can repeat it if I want to. I can add it. And let's go back. Now let's add a new, I can add a new appointment, class, or order. So if I add a new class, let's say fitness class, 30 minutes, offered at like the 12th, that's tomorrow, at like 10 o'clock, and then save class. And here you can see here that I have one class this day. So I have a fitness class at 10 a.m. with no attendees. I can click on this day to edit the class. I can edit it. I can add attendees here. Nobody has scheduled yet. I can click on the plus icon to add attendees here. So the first name, last name, phone, and email, and then schedule the appointment. Okay, and let's go back. Here I can click on add new to add a new appointment here. If I want to add a new appointment, let's say fitness class, okay, 30 minutes for $10. I can choose a date, and I can choose a client or add a client name. And then here are some notes, and if it's paid or not. And then I can schedule the appointment here as well. Now here I have the clients. I have here the client lists. Here, this is the Mac test. So if it's like a test client generated by Squarespace appointment, I can here add clients. So I can click here to add client, enter their name, last name, phone, email, and add some notes, and then click on add clients. Here I can show all clients or within the last 30, 60, or 3 months, 60 days, sorry, or 3 months, and etc. And here I can import or export clients lists. So I can export client lists as a .csv file, or import a client list, or I can sync here with iCalendar, Outlook, and other calendars. So if I click here to check out the syncing with other calendars to import my appointments and stuff like that. So let's go back. And here I have invoices, where I can send professional invoicing to my clients. So if I click on create an invoice, here I can enter the client, like their name, email, or phone number, and then I can add a new item. So if it's a fitness class, it'll automatically add the amount. I can edit it in the classes, so I can add more items, and then the invoice ID, the date, optional message to client, confirmation, and so on. And I can preview here the invoice. As you can see, it's a pretty basic invoice right here. So let's close this. Let's discard changes. You can also save it and send it to the client. And then we have reports here, like for the appointments, revenues, users, intake forms, tips, imports, and exports. And let's scroll down a bit. Here we can set the business settings. So like the availability, the appointment types, intake from questions, packages, gifts, and subscriptions, integrations, sync with other calendars, the payment settings. And here I have the client SMS, email, booking alerts, and check my profile. Here is my dashboard. I can view the settings or create a new website. So I'll go back right here. So the how to simple is basically like they name it, or they consider it like a website that I create. And now on my home page, the how to simple website that I created, I can here set my availability. I can design my scheduling page. I can share the scheduling page, and I can create appointment types. So here, set the availability, as we saw here in the settings page. So I'm available, let's say I'm available like Monday. Let's, for the sake of this video, right, of Friday. So I'm available Monday through Thursday. On Thursday, I'm available till like 2 p.m. And I can also apply this change to all or add a new row. So let's say I have a break from 2 to 3, and then from 3 p.m. to like 5 p.m. I'm available again. Okay. And I can also add Friday and Sunday and add set times for each day if I want to. So I'll click on save right here. And now I can share my scheduling page. I can create an appointments. I can set my availability is now checked. So I've set my availability. I created appointment types. I can here design my scheduling page. I can share my scheduling page if I want to. So that was like a quick overview tutorial of the Squarespace appointment or Squarespace scheduling service and its different features.